Третий класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский. Домашнее задание. Шоу талантов, часть 1. Страница с 98 по 102. English, Starlight 3. Talent show. Homework, part number 1. Page number 98, 99, 100, 101, 102. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I'm so glad to meet you. Thank you. I'm glad to meet you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 98. 98. Grammarland. The verb can. We can fly. Can you fly? Affirmative. We can, you can, they can. Negative. Long form. We cannot, you cannot, they cannot. Short form. We can't, you can't, they can't. Interrogative. Can we, can you, can they? Short answer. Can we swim? Yes, you can. No, you can't. Can you swim? Yes, we can. No, we can't. Can they swim? Yes, they can. No, they can't. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Ask and answer. Задайте вопросы и отвечайте. The answer. Can he play the piano? No, he can't. Can they fly? Yes, they can. Can they sing? Yes, they can. Can she see? No, she can't. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 99. 99. Exercise number 2. Read the sentences and write questions. Прочтите предложения и напишите вопросы. You want to ride your friend's horse. His name is Yuri. Can I ride your horse, Yuri? You want to make some sandwiches with Paul. Ask your mom. You want to go to John's birthday party. Ask your dad. You want to use your friend's pencil. Your name is Olga. You want to fly your sister's kite. Your name is Anna. You want to wash the car. Ask your dad. The answer. Can I ride your horse, Yuri? Can I make some sandwiches with Paul, Mom? Can I go to John's birthday party, Dad? Can I use your pencil, Olga? Can I fly your kite, Anna? Can I wash the car, Dad? My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Read and match. Прочтите и сопоставьте. Can I watch TV? Can I go to the park? Can I call Julie? Can I have an apple? Can I have some sweets? Can I eat your sandwich? Yes, you can. The phone is on my desk. Yes, you can. They're in the fridge. No, you can't. It's time for bed. No, you can't. They're bad for your teeth. No, you can't. I'm hungry. No, you can't. It's raining. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 100. Страница 100. Talent show. Exercise number 1. Listen and read the dialogue. Послушайте и прочтите диалог. Look, it's the school talent show. Mona, can you sing? Yes, I can. Can you play the piano? Yes, I can. Come on, let's go. Well, I can play the guitar. Girls, wait. I can't sing or play the piano. I can help you, Harry. I've got an idea. A few minutes later. Thank you. And now, here is amazing Harry. Who can help me? I can. Thank you. Please put your glasses in your hat. Here you are. Can you see the glasses? Yes, we can. Now, what can you see? A white rabbit. Wow! This is for you. Oh, thank you, Harry. You're a very good magician. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Which picture? Read the dialogue again and find the number. Какая картинка? Прочтите диалог еще раз и найдите номер. I've got an idea. Picture number 6. Here is amazing Harry. Picture number 7. A white rabbit. Picture number 11. This is for you. Picture number 12. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 102. 102. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Послушайте, покажите и повторите. Seat belt, helmet, fast, slow, do karate. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Sing and do. Пой и делай. Beep, beep, beep. I can drive my car. Set belt on. Watch me go. Beep, beep, beep. I can drive my car. Sometimes fast and sometimes slow. Yow, yow, yow. I can fly my plane. Seat belt on. Watch me go. Yow, yow, yow. I can fly my plane. Sometimes fast and sometimes slow. Ring, ring, ring. I can ride my bike. Helmet on. Watch me go. Ring, ring, ring. I can ride my bike. sometimes fast and sometimes slow. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.